Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone, I'm your guide today, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about Oseltamivir. This medicine is an antiviral that is mainly used to treat and prevent influenza, better known as the flu. Oseltamivir is prescribed in specific cases, such as when someone has been in contact with a person with the flu or already has symptoms. It can also be used preventively during flu outbreaks in places like schools or nursing homes. And how does Oseltamivir work? Well, this medicine blocks an enzyme that the flu virus needs to multiply. By doing this, it helps the symptoms last less time and be less intense. It is very important to follow your doctor's instructions when taking Oseltamivir. Normally, for adults, the dose to treat the flu is 75 milligrams twice a day for 5 days. To prevent the flu, the dose is 75 milligrams once a day for at least 10 days. Let's talk about side effects. Some people may feel nauseous, vomit, have a headache, or have an upset stomach. It is important to be aware of any allergic reactions and seek medical help immediately if something serious happens. A few last tips. Always take Oseltamivir with food to avoid stomach discomfort. Do not use this medicine as a substitute for the flu vaccine. And of course, always consult with your doctor before starting any treatment. I hope this information has been helpful. Take care and see you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.